to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make salmon in lemon parsley butter. So let's get started.
I've got here 6 salmon fillets, 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a cup of butter which I have chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt, or you can add it according to your taste, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder which is optional. Melt the butter in the microwave for 45 seconds to 1 minute or until melted. Add flour, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, lemon juice and parsley. And mix it well to combine using a spatula or a spoon. Take a microwave-safe dish or a plate. Arrange the fish fillets in a single layer and spread the lemon butter evenly on both sides of the fish fillets. Cover it with a Glad wrap or a plastic wrap and microwave it for 10 minutes or until cooked through. After 10 minutes, take it out of the microwave and carefully remove the plastic wrap. To see if the fish is cooked, push a fork in the center of the fish to see if it is flaky. The time to cook the fish will depend on the wattage of the microwave and the size of the fish fillets. If your fish is not cooked, cover it again and cook it for further 1 to 2 minutes. My salmon in lemon parsley butter is ready and you can serve it with some steamed vegetables, garlic bread, chips or some salad. Enjoy!
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.